in these ones. Also, Josh, quite good. That. Guys, thank you very much, Dr. Sandika, for introducing and welcoming the participants. I also feel very honored with all the participants. We are very much honored to have you all with us here today, the Monday workshop. This is good morning, everyone.
Hello, is that Roorkee?
Saturday, for me, if you have
now going for the certificate distribution. Then I would like to welcome Professor Vijay Yadav.
they are leading their session, they are proposing research issues, they are leading whatever they think. You should have a topic. The idea was to empower a young generation and tell them how to do it, what they should do it, and please, for more than this study by India, they have already proposed this at the The most difficult part is approaching, and this is where we have to be very careful. Under professors, and they also focus 20, 30, 40, 50 minutes every day for looking for this solution. I know professors who are not checking their emails. Even we are sending what it is.
ACES is a global initiative led by young hydrologists just like us. It is a government initiative established mainly for young researchers to connect, inspire, and involve to evolve in the field of hydrology. So,